Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.
MashaAllah. Thank you so much, my dear sister. So, where are you from?
Syria.
Syria. Well, you were speaking with the Palestine man just before me.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we all.
He didn't need any support, okay? Because he's not host. He is supporter.
Oh, okay, that's cool. Well, I just had a conversation with a Palestinian girl, okay, maybe day before.
Yeah.
So she asked for help from me, but I'm trying to help her to buy
Yeah.
tent to be protected from the rain. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ghazi, you are in Dubai now or in Bangladesh?
I'm from Bangladesh and now I'm still in Bangladesh.
Oh, you are still there.
Yeah.
I think you have work in Dubai.
Who?
You.
Oh no, I'm just I'm a.
No.
Oh, you just thought about me that I'm working in Dubai.
What about your study? What do you have? Any job? What you doing
Yeah.
in your life?
Yeah. Well, I'm a content creator. I'm a YouTuber, and I'm a entrepreneur.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
So, what about yourself?
I was a teacher. Do some drawing and now in Bigo because they بعرف شعر and now only Bigo because outside the business is very bad.
Ah, okay. The circumstance of Syria is very bad. That's all. You are trying to do something just having it at home. So Vigo platform is one of them to earn money.
Anyone better, the YouTube or Bigo? What you found?
Yeah.
Anyone more good?
Yeah. All right. All right. So
Or YouTube?
okay. You were a teacher, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So did you leave the teaching?
Yes.
Okay. So how old are you?
27.
27. Oh, still young. I'm 29.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So are you single or you are married?
Not single.
Single. Well, so I have a question.
Yeah.
When Syrian girls try to get married, when?
Oh. About 19, 20, like this, and now everything can change.
Everything has changed. Well, so what about you? When you're gonna go for marrying?
When I see someone good, someone honest,
Yeah. Okay. So
someone good, yeah.
okay, I understand. But do you want?
That you.
So I'm still single.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, guys, yeah.